whiteout conditions. The wind is on the other side of the truck. It's just blowing the snow all over everywhere. I got up at 4 this morning, 4:30, maybe 5, I don't know. Rolled around anyhow, looked out the windows. There was nothing. I thought, man, these lying weather forecasters. But I didn't see a damn thing. There wasn't any snow at all. About 5:30, it started snowing. And I'll show you. You know, the sun is already up a little bit. There's the view down the road. There's the blowing snow. Turn that around. See? There's the driving conditions. So, I'm going to chill out for just a little while longer here before I start venturing down the road. I want to let the sun get up as much as possible, see how bad the visibility really is. Stay safe, friends. It's still wintertime here in Texoma.